English Learning Network.
apple, banana, orange, mango, grapes, watermelon, pineapple, strawberry, blueberry, lemon, lime, papaya, peach, pear, pomegranate, avocado, tomato, potato, onion, garlic, carrot, cucumber, lettuce, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, bell pepper, chili pepper, eggplant, chicken, beef, pork, lamb, turkey, fish, salmon, tuna, shrimp, crab, lobster, sausage, bacon, ham, eggs, milk, yogurt, butter, cheese, cream, ice cream, bread, baguette, croissant, cake, muffin, donut, bagel, cookie, pasta, rice, spaghetti, noodles, cereal, oats, flour, sugar, pepper, oil, vinegar, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, honey, jam, peanut butter, soy sauce, hot sauce, baking powder, chips, popcorn, chocolate, candy, juice, soda, coffee, tea, energy drink, smoothie, soap, shampoo, toothpaste, toilet paper, paper towel, detergent, dish soap, sponge, plastic bag, basket.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.